Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at a Donkey Kong PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. The Donkey Kong PowerPoint game is made by Stu Marty of the Waygook Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for your free PPT download. The first screen is a collection of different colors. You choose the color to go to a question, answer the question correctly, and then you can click on the barrel in the bottom right hand corner. You will then get a choice of barrels. Each barrel will give you some form of prize. Bananas can correspond to the amount of points, and a rhino can be whatever you want it to be. It could be points, or it could be lose points or steal points. It's up to you. Click the cannon to return to the home screen. There are many different islands, and if you click next, you'll go to the different island, but first you have to click on a mystery barrel. This could be good or bad, and it's up to the students to decide if their team wants it or not. Well, that was our PPT walkthrough of the Donkey Kong bomb game. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel, and remember to go to the comment section to find the link to the PPT bomb game. Bye.